Hello and welcome to Weekly Car News. I hope everyone had a great January. As always, if I miss anything, please put it in the comments below. That'd be brilliant. So jumping straight in, we are going to talk about Tesla because Elon Musk has said that Tesla's supercar, the Tesla Roadster, has been delayed until 2022. But I am sure it's going to be worth the wait because the statistics on this thing are ballistic. Because get this, its 3 electric motors are going to give it 7,376 pound-foot of torque. Like, how is that possible? It's going to have a 0 to 60 of 1.9 seconds, a 0 to 100 of 4.2 seconds, and a top speed of 250 miles per hour. It will do a quarter mile in 8.9 seconds. This thing is ridiculous, but so is the price. You're going to have to pay around £189,000. Although, if you drive it nicely, which you won't be able to when you've got a car like that, you just won't, it will have a range of 620 miles. And you never know, maybe it will be built somewhere in the UK because the Swindon Council leader has asked Elon in a letter whether they would be willing to take over the Honda factory because the Honda factory is due to close in July this year and 5,000 staff members are going to need a job. So they've put that out there. I don't know if Elon will go for it, but Tesla is really trying to push into the European market and trying to have a more of a foothold globally for all of its factories. And that's why in Germany they've got a factory being built at the moment. AVA, the Irish engineering group, is going to be bringing back a classic. The iconic C2 Corvette Stingray is set to be given 1,200 brake horsepower as a minimum. They've said they might even give it up to 2,000 brake horsepower. It's going to be an electrical vehicle and it will be called the AVA HYPERCLASSIC. It will be the company's first model, so I think they're going to try and smash this out the park. It's going to be a super limited, exclusive for people that have got a lot of money. Because this car is going to be anywhere between £1 million and £1.75 million. So it's a lot of money, but it's going to be a hell of a car. It is going to be unveiled later this month from what we have heard, and alongside its 1,200 to 2,000 brake horsepower, which is quite a range. I don't know where they've got those numbers from, but alongside that it will also be 4-wheel drive, so it's going to be a hell of a car. DS has revealed the all-new DS4. It's a car that they say will rival both premium hatchbacks and crossover SUVs. This means it will take on long runners such as the Audi A3, the BMW 1 Series, and stuff like the Mercedes GLA. I think it looks really good. It's got daytime running lights, it's got LED matrix headlights as standard across the whole range. The creases on the bodywork on the side are really prominent and make it look really, really modern. And the wheel arches can house 20-inch alloys. The interior is really minimalistic and premium, as is the standard metallic paint that the car will come with. And the starting price is expected to be around £25,000. And finally, on to Renault. Their Mobilize brand is becoming a separate entity to the Renault group. It is aimed at people that are not interested in owning a car and will not have the time, patience or money to have a garage, park their car or maintain it. I think this is a great idea because it will help to reduce the cost of car ownership for those that just don't want to own a car. They don't want to just buy a car and have it depreciate and just sat in a garage or sat having to pay parking for it. So I do understand why this is so important. Well, that is it from me. Please do in the comments below, let me know what you think of the Tesla Roadster. Is it an amazing car or is it totally unnecessary? It'll be really interesting to see what it's like. And I really hope that they can pull it off because I personally think it's an amazing car. So thank you for watching. Please do hit that like button, please do comment below and also subscribe to the channel. And I really want to thank everybody that I appreciate so much for subscribing so far. At the moment we're up to 154 subscribers and I really appreciate all of you. So please do comment below, let me know that you are subscribed and I'll say hello. So thank you for that and I shall see you in the next one. Oh, and also if you haven't already, my Mercedes video went up on Wednesday. So that's up here in this top corner. So you can go and have a look at that because the Mercedes at the moment, it's kind of, I'm not quite sure where to take it. And if you haven't seen the video already, you will see it in this video up here. So thank you very much. See you later on, guys. Have a great week.